So my beautiful girls, my beautiful girlies, I know the reason why you clicked on this video because you have seen the thumbnail and you're looking forward to achieving the same goal I achieved. Yes, you are in the right place. Whether you're married, whether you're not married, the goal here is that you have a big tummy and you want your tummy to be exactly what you're seeing here. That is the goal. So hope you want to watch to the end of this video. Do not click, do not fast forward because I have points, T's in every of what I have said. Okay? Okay. And while looking at this, please have this in mind. You have integrity. Integrity. Following the rules I'm going to say now. And number two, you have to love to drink water. I know most of you don't love to drink water. Yes, I know. And I'm going to tell you guys the secret that helps me to drink water. The secret that helps me to drink water is that I get bottles that I love, bottles that look fancy. So when I see it, I'm attracted and I want to drink it. So that is the way I do it, okay? About. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how I was able to maintain my tummy being a mother of three, like what you're seeing now on the screen, okay? So hope you watch the end of this video so you benefit from everything I'm going to say. Each of information I'm going to lay out in this video is very important, so don't click out or fast forward. No, watch in between the lines. Okay, let's start over. This video is going to be divided into three places. One, what I did to get me this result. I mean, what I eat, what I drink, you know, the process I follow. Two, what I use to get me to this result as well. And three, and probably how many hours I do this and all. So let's dive into the video. Number one, like I said, what I did to get me to this result. Guys, if you're looking to have your tummy snatched and flat as possible, as you can see on the picture I showed you here, you need to, number one, mind the kind of food you eat. What you take inside is what reflects outside your body. Yes, I know this is not what you want to hear at first, but I want to start slowly before I get into what is the magic for losing the tummy fat and all. Remove your hand in carbohydrate. Do you understand what I'm saying? Take less of carbohydrate. I didn't say you should miss out carbohydrate at all, because when you miss out carbohydrate entirely in your meal, it means you not have the energy to work or the energy to do anything. So I won't advise you to miss out carbohydrates in your meal entirely, but I will advise you to reduce your hand. Eat in a portion way. Don't eat as if you came out from I don't know. Just eat in a very portionable way and drink lots of water. Have about 2 to 3 liters of water in a day. It helps to flush out the toxins in your body, and it helps to avoid constipation, which is gonna make your tummy look bloated. So guys, when you have less of carbohydrates in your body, it helps your liver and everything inside your body to turn out well, because when you have excess sugar in your body, it stores in your liver, and when your liver cannot take it out, it stores as fat. That's why when I see most people with big tummy, what goes into my head is that this person is unhealthy, because I feel that your liver is disturbed. Because if you have tummy, the truth about the matter is that excess tummy shows that your liver, if it's not, I don't know, I won't say if it's not natural, maybe you go to the doctor and check yourself, because the truth about the matter is that excess tummy could be as a result of your liver being unable to flush out most of the sugar that you consume in a day. So mind the kind of food you eat when you're trying to achieve that flat tummy, that weight loss, flat tummy, snatch tummy around your waist. Mind what you eat. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. If you're on this video and you're thinking that I will tell you this is the magic without avoiding the kind of food you eat, maybe you have to click out, because this is the first thing we have to know before we dive into every other thing. I've talked about what you eat, which is comprises of everything I just said now. Reduce your hand in sugar. Forget everything about drinks and all. Choose more profitable drink that is going to give your body profitable results. Maybe kombucha is a very good drink, because actually it helps your gut. It helps you with constipation and other things. And another thing I'm going to say is that as you're getting older, your bodily metabolism does not respond much as when you were younger. That is just the truth about the matter. So whatever you used to take before that were good for you when you were small, or when you were in your teenage age, is no longer good for you now, because your body doesn't need those kind of thing now. If you want to be like attention, everybody sees this Nigerian actress. She's 50 something years, she's glows and she's everything. Go and ask her what her food meal looks like. Go and ask her what her diet looks like. She's gonna tell you what her diet looks like. And that diet that she has is what actually reflects on her skin and makes her look more youthful and younger. This video is not just for people who are moms. This video is generally for everybody, anyone who is looking to have a very good body shape, have flat tummy, look good. Okay, you need this thing as well, not just those who have had child, right? Some people don't have kids yet, but their tummy is still very big. You know what I'm saying? We're going to dive into the second stage, which is the important one, and wait to the third stage. You have to watch the third stage, which is the most important. I'm just lining it according to their importance. I'm going in a descending order. Okay, not in ascending order. Ascending order is 1, 2, 3. No, I'm going in a descending order. Yeah, I'm going in an ascending order. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Where the number 3 is the most important. So number 2 now is what I use. Like you guys know, I'm a mom of 3 right now. And see, if you're a mom, I'm going to start with if you're a mom and you want a flat tummy. I'm going to start there as well. But this video also, what I'm going to say now, will also help you if you're not a mom and you have a big tummy. Guys, when I finish giving birth, I use this waist trainer here. See, this waist trainer I will highly recommend because it's 3-in-1. See, this is one. If you look at it, it's looking a bit old because it shows you that I've used it quite a lot. So this is 3 here. This is number 1. I love this waist trainer because it's actually big and it can wrap you from down your pelvic area. If you give birth, down your pelvic area, your pubic area side, it will wrap you from there till under your bust, which is very, very important. Do you understand? It's going to wrap everything around. If you didn't give birth with CS, I recommend you should tie this thing immediately because there's a great result when you tie it immediately. This is the beginning stage of your getting to your flat tummy goal. Don't do that your tummy is paining you or anything. Take the pain because the results you will love, okay? So take the pain. This is what I used when I finished giving birth. I used this for a while before I moved to another stage because when your tummy is reducing, you want to graduate to another stage. So this actually helps your tummy to adjust at the beginning stage because your tummy is still very big, like someone who is about 6 months pregnant, right? But it's going to tie it. So when your tummy gets to this point that you feel that it has gotten to and that you can wear your waist trainer, then you tilt towards this one. After that stage, I went into this stage. Stage here after giving birth does not have zip, which enables you to wrap your tummy the way you want. But when your tummy gets to this particular point that you feel is okay, then you move to this stage. So this stage here has zip, which your tummy has gotten to that point that you can actually use it here. See, this is actually very okay, but the reason why I don't use it on the first stage is because, like I told you, it doesn't get down to the pelvic area, down your tummy, which you also need it to be tied, so your womb can go, so your tummy can go in a very good place. You understand? So this one is what I use after I'm done with using the wrap one because this does not get to the pelvic. You get done with that stage. I also move into this stage. You can see that this one here, it has a sauna inside. This sauna inside helps your body to heat up, helps your tummy to burn fat, even though you're not exercising, but you're moving around the house, you're running an errand, you're going out. It's going to help your body to heat up and make it feel as if you're actually exercising. Here, you can see I am tying here. What it means that every day you need to put on your waist trainer. Put on your waist trainer every day, at least from the first month. If you're looking towards having a flatter tummy, from the first month, try it for complete 8 months. Wear your waist trainer like 2 to 7 hours in a day. It's not difficult. You're going to get used to it. Once I'm awake, I have my baths or whatever. Next thing is to tie my waist trainer on my waist because I am moving around. It's an exercise. So I need it to, blend. So guys, last one, which is the most tea here, which is the most important thing here, kind of, is get you a sweat cream. This is my sweat cream here. What do I mean by sweat cream? You can get this on Amazon or any weight loss shopping website. I don't know, but just sweat cream. This sweat cream helps your body to sweat, to burn. To burn. You're moving around, your body is burning. You can feel the heat around your tummy. People use it on their labs where they have all those fats that looks like dimple on their body, on their labs. Some people have it there because when they are moving around, it's sweating out. It's helping those lumps fats to break, kind of. So most of the time, not now, but when I started on this journey, because not now, I don't use it every day now, but I used to use it every day before when I was still going on the journey. So I put it on my tummy, then I wear my waist trainer. You know, you can imagine when I put on this, you can imagine when I put on this sweat cream and this waist trainer that has sauna inside. It will burn, it will be burning. You can even at the end of the day when you remove it, you see the sweat that come out of that your area. You know that yes, you really, really burnt something. So guys, these are the things I do that has helped me to get to this stage of my tummy, which I am loving. There is nothing like putting on clothes and feeling good. And when I was on this journey, I made sure that I didn't get new clothes, because when you buy new clothes, trust me, you feel so comfortable in those clothes that you wouldn't know again what your size used to be. So even when I was tempted, the odds to buy a new clothes, I don't buy clothes that are my size at that time. I buy clothes that I used to, my size before, which is what I am looking at, which is the goal I am looking at. To speak of it, having 3 kids and wearing this top I'm wearing, I don't think I'm supposed to wear this top, but this show you that I have worked for my body to this extent. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you think this video was meaningful and important to you, please kindly like, share to someone that needs it out there and needs motivation out there. And I have so many videos on this playlist here, which is named Weight Loss, or I'm gonna link the playlist down in the description or towards the comment section area, so you can watch all of my videos, how I was able to lose my weight, what I did to lose about 9.5 kg in just 3 months. Guys, I did it, so I would recommend. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day. I shared teas in this video. If you practice consistency, you will get the result. Bye.